Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop political text messages spam on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, there isn't an exact science to stopping all political text messages, but these are some things you can do to, of course, help reduce and also minimize any text message you get around political text. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go ahead into your setting on your iPhone and then go into your messages setting. Under the messages setting, if you go down a little bit further, there's going to be an option that says filter unknown sender. So when you turn that on, basically it will filter out messages that aren't in your contacts. So people that aren't in your contacts or unrecognized from your phone will get filtered out. Basically, they'll go in a separate filter, and when you open up your messages, that will say unknown sender. From there on, you can do select all and delete everything from there. It will not bother your main messages. So that's one way to do it. Now, another way to do it is by simply finding the one that you get. For example, if you get a message, simply click on that message and you want to type in the word stop and then send that. When you do that, it's going to stop them from sending you messages automatically each time from that contact. Another thing you might also want to do is unsubscribe. Sometimes some will require you to do unsubscribe, so just type in unsubscribe, and that should also unsubscribe you from their message as well. So those are going to be two different things you can do, unsubscribe or stop, and that will allow you to kind of stop them from messaging. Now, when it comes to a lot of messages, this can get tedious. Sometimes you find that you keep on doing it. There's new ones that come out. Another thing you can do is go ahead and block them. If there's a specific number that keeps on doing it even after you text or message stop, you can go into clicking on their number up top there, and then from there on you can go ahead and click on the name and then go down a little bit further and then click on block caller or block contact, and contact will be blocked, so they cannot call, message, or even FaceTime you after you have done that. Now, along with doing all of this stuff is that sometimes your phone carrier can actually help with blocking out spam political text messages. In order to do that, you do have to go ahead and contact your phone carrier or company you get your phone service and ask them that they start filtering or block them or enable any sort of filter that they can do on their end, so you don't get any of those political text messages. And there are carriers that have filter on their system that they can enable and help you stop those political text messages. So there are a couple of ways to stop political text messages. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.